Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video I'm going to be trying out something kind of strange. I didn't know it existed. It's not kind of strange. I don't know why I said that. If anybody else watches Love Island, I don't normally buy like merchy type stuff, but when I saw their new water bottles and the fact that they were hot and cold water bottles, I really liked it. So I ended up buying myself one. And I absolutely love it, and it totally makes me drink more water. But while I was on the website, I discovered that they do like other stuff. Obviously they do like lots of different bits and pieces. They do makeup. Now, most of it, I don't know why, because it wasn't that far through the series when I bought it, but most of it was sold out. But this was like £7. And this is a little eyeshadow palette. And I thought, do you know what? Why not try it? Because it was so cheap. And I was ordering something from them anyway, and I just thought, do you know what? I'm going to chuck it in the bag. There was two to choose from, and this one was the one that I preferred colour-wise, so I literally just thought, let's give it a try. Why not? Something a little bit different. Well, I say a little bit different, but like lots of places come out with makeup. So this is the Love Burst by Love Island Hideaway Eyes eyeshadow palette. I don't know why it says Thrill. Maybe that's the shades or whatever. But it basically is, the shade names are on it. So you've got Crazy Love, Crushing It, Maybe Baby, Be a Star, Back at the Villa, and Throw Shade. And I mean, from the swatches, they don't look bad at all. So yeah, I'm not gonna like mess about any longer. We're just gonna crack on. It's a really nice basic palette, so we're not gonna be doing anything extravagant. I'm gonna grab a little brush and I'm gonna take Maybe Baby, which is sort of like the brownie shade. I don't know what this is gonna be like. Just sort of stamp that. I mean, it's doing something. The swatches were really nice, so that's a really nice sort of shade for, you know, like if you're gonna do just like an all over colour, you just want to sort of like grab something and throw it in your crease or whatever and just have that colour on. I usually use my wee Vive eye wand for that, but I mean it's a very, very similar colour actually. It's not bad. I mean, you kind of have to build up the colour. I'm taking Back at the Villa just to sort of, I don't know, see what it's like. I mean, there's not a huge amount of like kind of wow, but I wasn't really going for a huge amount of wow. This probably isn't going to be like a I recommend you go out and buy this or not video. It's just a, oh my god, Love Island do makeup, let's see if it's any good. Maybe next year they'll bring out stuff again. And I mean, can we really get like decent eyeshadow palettes for £7? I mean, it's taken a little bit of work, but it's not horrendous. Right, I'm going to put on the middle shade now. I'm not going to use anything underneath it. I'm just going to give it a go. So I'm using Be a Star. Let's see. Ooh, oh, I like that. Wow. That's not bad at all. I tend to find if like shimmers and that swatch well, they will go on well, because it's the same sort of action that you're doing. It's whether or not they'll pick up with a brush or you need to use your fingers, and this picking up with the brush fine. This is the Morphe GH48. I really like this wee brush for doing stuff like this. It's small enough for my wee eyes, but it's really grabby, so it actually grabs like kind of shimmery shadows. I'm impressed. £7, I'm impressed. Like, that's pretty decent. I mean, yes, it was on offer. I'll put on the screen how much it was before like they knocked the price down, but even then I think it was like at half price or something like that. So it was only going to be like £14. Ooh, I mean, it ain't bad. Okay, there we have it. That is how easy and quick it was. I really like that. For like £7, because I was ordering something anyway, I can't complain at that, but like £7, £7. It's nothing crazy. Definitely something more along the lines of like an everyday type of look. If you're a fan of Love Island and you want like some sort of wee merchy thing, it could be a good idea. But like as a standalone just little palette, I think it's really good. The shimmers in it are beautiful. I didn't try Throw Shade or Crazy Love, but you saw the swatches. They look like they would perform just as well as the others. Crazy Love looks a little bit like, is it that one? Yeah, a little bit like satiny rather than shimmery. But yeah, they performed really nicely for £7 or £7.50, something like that. I can't remember what it was. It was like literally cheap. I'm gonna shove a little bit of this one in my inner corner. Well, that's no wetting it, that's just straight from the pan on a brush into my inner corner. Can't really complain of that. I thought it was going to be a total disaster. I thought it was going to be awful. It's made in Italy. That's normally pretty decent quality stuff when it's made in Italy. The packaging of it's really nice. It's dead compact. I think this would be a really nice palette to travel with. So yeah, that's totally shocked me. I was totally expecting it to be like a proper fail, like really gimmicky because it was Love Island, but yeah, well done Love Island. Okay. Obviously, anyway, that's pretty much it. So next year when they come out with the stuff, and if it's a really good affordable price, it is actually decent. So you could probably pick one up. Or when, I think the final's tonight when I'm filming this, so there may be a load of it on sale to get rid of it before the end of the show. So I would definitely keep an eye out. But yeah, I'll put where I got it in the description box below for you. No, I'm not affiliated whatsoever. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, obviously, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!